ating gobyerno laban sa West Philippine Sea? It's very simple po, no? Ito po ay para doon kay Gablaw na sinasabi anong magiging ambag nyo sa problema.
At tandaan natin ang kilometer water kung saan hindi siya nakita. We have many personnel at all water stations, and the emergency hotline is also indicating all kilometer workers and directional signages. You may
Ayan
also
na.
like to run your marshals if you can call on our emergency. For which is
Good morning po. Nandito po tayo sa may SM Seaside Boulevard po. So kanina pa po nag-start yung 10 kilometers. So